Hello and welcome to Crypto Bible. My name's Oliver, and in today's episode, I am going to be presenting you some interesting news stories. Some of the news articles I've got today reference to crypto.com, the exchange, and then we're going to be having a little chat about Ethereum. Now, if you are new to the crypto world, or you're already in the world of crypto and an avid investor, or you just have a keen interest in cryptocurrency, then this is the channel for you. Go ahead. Press the like button early. Why not? Early likes always good. Press the subscribe button and click the notification bell icon on, because news, and we've got experts that I also interview, reviews, everything in the space of crypto. It's always interesting if you're looking to make investments here and there and use it as a piece of research. So go ahead and do that. And I'm going to jump straight into the first news article of the day. Okay, before we jump into the news, I always like to do this on CoinMarketCap. Just have a quick look at the trending coins, the biggest gainers, and then a little look at the market below. So trending right now, we've got Bayako, #1, Rainbow Token, and then Spooky Shiba. And in the biggest gainers, Night wore the Holy Trio, Piggy Bank DAO, and Touch Future there. And as we scroll down, we can see a lot of the other coins. Bitcoin's in the red, 2% down over the last 24 hours. Still in the consolidating phase. No big moves yet. On to the first news article of the day. Right, here's the first one. It's from CoinDesk, and it's referencing crypto.com, the app, the exchange. Crypto.com's stolen Ether being laundered via Tornado Cash. Ethereum Mixer being used to obscure destinations of Ether stolen from crypto.com yesterday. So, few little points here. The $15 million in Ether, which is 4,600 ETH, stolen from Singapore-based crypto.com, is currently being laundered via Tornado Cash and Ethereum Mixer, according to on-chain data. Few bullet points here. Tornado Cash is an Ethereum Mixer protocol that promises to improve transaction privacy by obscuring the on-chain link between the source and the recipient of Ether. It launched back in early 2020. On-chain data first spotted by security consultancy PeckShield suggests that the 4,600 Ether is being sent through the Mixer in batches of 100 ETH. Now, while some say that the Mixer protocols of cryptocurrency tumblers are used to protect the privacy of activists or other politically exposed individuals, they are often used to launder the proceeds of organized crime. In a previous statement to CoinDesk, the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, FinCEN, said that the mixers like Tornado Cash may fall under the division of a money transmitter and therefore have obligations set by the Bank Security Act. Law enforcement has previously shut down other mixers such as Best Mixer, which was raided by EU authorities in 2019, and Helix, which was shut down by the FBI in 2021 for laundering dark net funds. Tornado Cash co-founder Roman Storm told CoinDesk in an interview that the protocol works with regulators to assuage their fears. V2 of Tornado Cash includes a cryptographic note in the transaction history of Ether sent through its pipes that can be used to determine fund provenance. We're all a little bit in a different situation than other Mixer wallets. I think for us, it's very important to become compliant. Storm previously told CoinDesk, we do what we feel is right. Tornado's Cash Torn token is up almost 9% during the Asia trading day to $33.31, according to CoinGecko. So this is what happened to crypto.com, the exchange. We know that they yesterday froze their withdrawals because there was suspicious activity going on. And here, this article is telling us it was $15 million in ETH. Now, this next article I've got gives us a little bit more information on this. So here we have the article from fxstreet.com. Crypto.com lifts withdrawal freeze and Crow remains at risk of 15% correction. So they recently froze all withdrawals and some deposits after reports of suspicious activity. Now, the previous article told us that activity was stolen ETH. Now, users on Twitter reported missing cryptocurrency and withdrawals despite two-factor authentication. Now, withdrawal services were recently restored from crypto.com at 12:45 EST. So Crow price might be under heavier than usual selling pressure after concerns about missing or stolen crypto from crypto.com have been reported. Despite withdrawal services coming back online, concerns remain. So the price may face intense selling pressure ahead, users concerned about security and safety. So I'm just going to stop right there. Does this worry you? If you are a crypto.com exchange user app invested in Crow, is something like this going to stop you from investing into this exchange? Or do you just not let it bother you? Are you like, no, this is fine? Actually, one might say, well, they did a quick turnaround. They froze withdrawals, they sorted out the problem, and then they reopened withdrawals back up. Maybe that's something you take into account, but let me know down in the comments below if something like this affects you using their app. So crypto.com price action was already vexed by some continued and persistent selling pressure from the price swing on December 24th, 2021. It's 69 cents. Crow is down over 35% and down almost 63% from all-time highs and is likely to face another drop soon. Significant support exists at the 45 cents price level with 2022 volume, point of control, and the 50% Fibonacci retracement in that value level. However, within the Ichimoku Kinko Hayu system, crypto.com price is overwhelmingly bearish on the daily chart. It says here, a near-term project target for Crow is shared a support sign at 37 cents, where 61.8% Fibonacci retracement and 61.8% Fibonacci expansion levels exist. The likelihood of a sustained selling pressure is substantial given the neutral positions of the relatively strength index and composite index. This near-term bearish bias and outlook will likely be only invalidated if Crow price bulls can position crypto.com to a close at or above the 50 cents value area. So a little bit of chat about the price, and it might have a bit of selling pressure there. Let me know what you think and your thoughts about these stories of crypto.com and whether it's going to affect you using their app. On to the last article of the day. Okay, in this article, it's all about Ethereum. And the tagline says, why Ethereum is the backbone of the crypto economy. It's from cryptonews.com. Understandably, the attention of crypto investors is fascinated by Bitcoin. It has the market dominance of close to 40% and is the world's most likely adopted and highest priced crypto. However, Bitcoin has done more than enough to take the crypto economy where it is today. In the future, Ethereum will be decisive about the industry's evolution and the speed at which it evolves. This is very pro-Ethereum, this article. Ethereum as the engine of crypto economy. So it isn't based on a clear monetary vision like Bitcoin. So its popularity and structural importance aren't due to its cryptocurrency. Ether is just the tip of the iceberg. What proves to be the change maker is the multi-billion-dollar economy powered by the Ethereum ecosystem and its ability to adapt to its users' needs. Today, Ethereum is the most highly versatile decentralized computing platform. It's become the centerpiece of many use cases across crypto economy, including anything from cross-border payments, over-the-counter derivative settlement and clearing to building autonomous governance structures and streamlining back-office processes. Back in the day, Vitalik Buterin developed Ethereum intending to augment and improve Bitcoin and expand its capabilities. Over the years, it's managed to achieve much more. Today, it's used to program, decentralize, and trade virtually anything one can think of. Furthermore, it is one of the reasons, if not the main, why crypto industry has captured the interest of Wall Street and progressively earned the trust of regulators across the world. So, what has Ethereum given us so far? Well, it powers 67% of the crypto industry, so it's safe to say that without it, people wouldn't be talking about decentralized finance today. One of the key contributions of Ethereum is that it powers the crypto industry to replicate and digitize conventional financial products like credit lines and interest earning. And some of the more popular projects in the field include MakerDAO, Uniswap, Aave, Compound, and many more. Furthermore, Ethereum powers stablecoins like USDC, Tether, and Pax, which many retail crypto investors and institutions have exposure to. NFTs, of course. The NFT craze also wouldn't be possible without Ethereum. Today, many of the highest priced NFTs and markets like OpenSea are live because of the network. Ecosystem also powers many other crypto native products and services, wallets, exchanges, trading venues, crypto newsletters, portfolio management apps, and decentralized insurance platforms, KYC and identity solutions, and many more. Without it, concepts like decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs, and smart contracts that eliminate potential points of failure in transactions and relationships between different parties wouldn't have existed. Here it says, in a nutshell, over the years, Ethereum's established itself as the preferred environment for the majority of the project developers in the niche, allowing crypto to grow and innovate. Furthermore, the variety of use cases and the powerful network effect complement each other to progressively multiply the number of developers using the network. So, what will Ethereum give us going forward? Ethereum can give us the blueprint for building the crypto environment of tomorrow. In a world marching towards carbon neutrality, cryptocurrencies are receiving much scrutiny from virtually all corners of the market. Currently, studies suggest that Bitcoin mining alone could push global warming beyond 2 degrees centigrade, while Ethereum mining emits 11 times less CO2. It still isn't a viable option when pursuing a future of sustainability. That's interesting. It says latest series of upgrades of the Ethereum network. We've heard a lot of. The ETH2 project replaces mining with staking to reduce computing power significantly. As a result, Ethereum's carbon footprint is estimated to drop by 99.95%. That's a lot. That's a lot of drop in the carbon footprint. The bottom line is that with these improvements, it will allow crypto assets to become a part of the solution for the net zero pathway rather than the problem that prevents it. And more benefits that Ethereum might give us in the long term: unlock the era of Web 3.0, where decentralized applications allow users from all across the world to interact and make transactions without intermediaries. As a result, that will give big tech companies offerings a run for their money. And furthermore, it can unlock the crypto economy and make it affordable and accessible to virtually anyone worldwide. That way, humanity can address the problem with the unbanked population that today stands at 1.7 billion. And again, essential but often ignored, contribution of Ethereum is opening the niche for competitors like Solana, Cardano, Avalanche are entering the market with blockchains with greater scalability and processing capacity. However, none of them have succeeded in becoming the Ethereum killer. While dethroning Ethereum seems unrealistic in the future, the increased competition and natural selection principle enforced by the new entrants will help further grow and develop the niche. So they wrap it up here with the last bit saying Ethereum isn't showing signs of slowing down, and analysts see a potential of flipping where ETH tops Bitcoin in value. That's a big statement. Whether or not that happens is a point of another discussion. The more important thing is to leave speculation aside and focus on the broader picture. Since the wave of decentralized finance will likely become more prevalent in the global economy, and there would be a need to accommodate millions or even 1 billion new users, it's safe to assume that in the future, Ethereum will continue to be the backbone of the crypto economy. Everything else will just be a byproduct of its growing importance. So a very, very pro Ethereum article here from Crypto News. So my question to you guys is, what do you think about Ethereum? Are you more bullish on Ethereum than you are Bitcoin? Do you think Ethereum will at some point overtake Bitcoin? Let me know in the comments below, because it would be good to just have a chat and see how many people agree with that article and they love ETH. And also, let's have a little recap of the first two stories about crypto.com exchange. Does something like that where, there's a leak, even though crypto.com have been saying, there's a suspension on withdrawal and they said all the funds were safe, and they turned it around and reopened the withdrawal ability to do. Does that worry you, or does it not worry you? Are you going to still use crypto.com as an exchange? Let me know all your thoughts in the comments below. As always, thank you for joining me for today's episode. Throw me a like, get yourself subscribed, hit the notification bell icon on so you never miss any of our upcoming news stories or content pieces. And once again, thank you for joining me for today, and I'll see you on the next.